Good morning. Hi, are you all able to see? Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
So wave your hand, I'll see all of you. Yes, yes. How are you today? Fit? Fit, fit. Okay. So I will only start when all of you smile. Laugh, laugh loudly. Loudly. As you used to laugh, in the assembly, like Ravana. Ha, ha, ha. Loudly. Everybody should in the house should be able to listen your laugh. Laugh loudly. Otherwise, I'll not start. Today we are going to talk to each other and I will listen from you. You will also listen something from me and we'll also play some game. Are you all ready for a game? When I say, are you all ready for a game? You're also like this. Yes, yes, yes. Right, right. So sweet, so sweet. Today, you know how many people have joined? 500 of you. Oh my God. I don't know how many I'll be able to connect. Subham, your camera, unmute your camera, Subham. Yes, so great. So I can see all of you, beautiful faces, so that I'll get inspired to talk to you. Right, Sthiti, right? Happy? Smile, Sthiti. Yes, great, great. And Yasita, yeah, why you're not smiling, Yasita? Laugh for me, no? So, as we do for everything good, and when I'm talking to all my beautiful seniors, we should start with prayer, right?
अनन्त संसार समुद्रतार नौकायिताभ्यां गुरुभक्तिताभ्यां वैराग्य साम्राज्यदपूजनाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां कवित्ववाराशिनिशाकराभ्यां दौर्भाग्यदावाम्बुधमालिकाभ्यां दूरीकृतानम्रविपत्तिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां नताययो श्रीपतितां समीयो कदाचिदप्याशु दरिद्रवर्या मूकाश्च वाचस्पतितां हिताभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां कालीकनिकाशपदावृताभ्यां नानाविमोहादिनिवारिकाभ्यां नमः जनाभीष्टगतिप्रदाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां कृपालिमौळी रजरत्नकान्ति सरिद्विराज झषकन्यकाभ्यां नृपत्पदाभ्यां नतलोकपङ्क्तेः नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्यां पापान्धकारार्कपरम्पराभ्यां तापत्रयाहीन्द्रखगेश्वराभ्यां जाड्याद्रिसंशोषणवाणवाभ्यां नमो नमः श्रीगुरुपादुकाभ्याम्.
Great. So now open your eyes and unmute your cameras. Now we'll start. So I have been telling you always, and you have always been listening to me. I said that have you seen God? Many of you said last time, no. But I said, yes, you have seen God. And I did tell that your God, your consciousness of God, the first God are those who brought you into this world. So your father and mother are your first God. And I have told you, and I'm sure you must be, touching their feet every day and taking their blessings. How many of you are doing that? Raise your hand. How many of you are doing that? Honestly, yes. Very good. I'm so proud of you. Great. So, why it said that mother's tongue? He said mother's tongue because the first voice, to speak, you are able to speak to me, you are able to express. So the first voice, how to talk, right? Even for birds, even for animals, and all of you as human beings, it's mother who teaches you how to talk. So the first word normally comes out of your mouth is ma. So that's why it is mother's tongue, because the voice of yours is because of mother. And just think, when you are a small kid, like, or you would have seen your brother or sister when they were small, and when they used to cry in the night, mother used to keep them on the lap and whole night sit until you sleep. So that's the level of sacrifice mother does. Apart from keeping you inside for 9 months, feeding from her own food and blood, she also ensures when you are in this world, nothing affects you. Even the slightest of, you know, injury or slightest of fever, your mother gets the put out. So nobody can take the place of mother in the world, right? Great. So that's why I said mother is something. With mother stone, you can, what I am today, I am able to speak is because of my mother stone, because of my mother's dedication, and because I always pray my mother as my first God. So as you're telling, we also need to understand the father's contribution in your growth. I said your mother and father are your first God, first guru, first teacher in your life. Your father teaches you how to walk. Your father teaches you how to connect to the society. Anything that you want, your father gets you. Your father always tries to see that you are happy. So there is also a father stone in each one of you. And the contribution of father is also equally there as the contribution of mother. So it's mother and father together make you what you are. So you are a reflection of your father and mother. And that's what is my first thing that I'm going to say. And then I'll ask questions, because I have been showing to you about Mother Stone. Today, let me show you something on Father Stone, and then you'll tell me what did you learn out of this Father Stone and how you connect yourself looking at your father, how you are connecting yourself with this, what I'm going to see, show you. That's the first game. And the rule of the game is, Saubhagya, you unmute your camera. So the rule of the game is you have to raise your hand, and I will then call the name, and you will then be answering the question. Limitation of time. The quicker you raise your hand, I'll be asking you a question, right? So I'll show you the first one. So who is going to answer first? How did you how do you connect this with yourself? So who is going to speak first? Okay, Arusi. Arusi, congratulations, the first hand. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, sir. Good
Yes,
morning, sir.
Arusi, how are you? How are you, Arusi?
Sir, I'm absolutely fine.
What's the white roses behind you?
Sir, it's my wardrobe.
Oh, so those are white roses?
Yes, sir. No, sir, some kind of flower.
Oh, so you have all your beautiful dresses there in that cupboard?
Yes, sir.
So nice. Very nice. And your smile is equally very nice, Arusi.
Thank you, sir.
You know the meaning of Arusi?
Yes, sir, the first ray of sunlight.
Absolutely. So you are always the first ray of sunlight, and that comes through your smile. So never stop
Yes.
smiling.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Yeah, tell
Yes, sir, I wanted to share like fathers are the people who always support you, and whatever the situation is, they never leave you behind. And whatever mistake you do, they teach you like what is the right thing with the example, not like you should not do this, but they also tell us why you should not do that, why
me.
you should not do this, why you should not do that. They explain the things so well that you never forget in your life, and those teachings are there with us forever in our life.
Absolutely. Nobody can take the place of father. Father is always the first hero of our life and will always be the hero of our life. And a lot of us actually emulate our father, their talk, their way, their style. We are actually reflection of father. So nicely you have told.
Yes,
I think you love your father very much, Aras.
yes.
So beautiful.
I
Oh,
love my parents, both of my parents, my
both.
mom also.
Yes, absolutely. I said, mom has always a very, very special place in life.
Yes, sir.
Father equally has. So beautiful answer, Arusi. Stay blessed. Okay, now Saswat.
Sir.
Good morning, sir.
Saswat. Saswat, you are sitting on a frame which has symmetry to wall hangings. And your head is exactly in front of the door, making it you as a portrait. So have you set it like that, or it's a coincidence?
No, sir, it is actually, it's a coincidence.
Oh, but beautiful. Your background is looking beautiful, and you are perfect. So first, give a big smile.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. So what did you learn out of this?
So from the video which you showed, I learned that our father are our first heroes, and we should follow our father. And our father are always our first example in our life.
Yes. So I think whenever you have any problem, your father is always there to rescue you and help you out. So
Yes,
your
sir.
father is always the best hero of life. Very well said. Absolutely. Anvesa, unmute yourself, Anvesa. Thank you, Saswat. Stay blessed.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, Anvesa, today?
Sir, fine.
What breakfast did you have?
Sir, I had idli and vada.
Idli, vada, and chutney.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, I am craving for that and nobody is giving me. Why don't you send something for me also? Hot idli, is so. How many of you like idli? Raise your hand. See how many. So send to everyone, and
Yes, sir.
especially for me. And thank your mother for giving you such beautiful and delicious idlis. Okay, go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Learn.
Sir, I wanted to share that from this video, I learned that father, he supports us in every correct path of our life. Mother can just say, you don't do this, you don't do that, but father, he will always like stay behind. Means whatever wrong we'll do, he will make us understand in a beautiful way. And father can't take the place of mother, and mother can't take the place of father. So both are in their
Both
place.
are independent. So nicely, Anvesa. Thank you so much. Anvesa says, when mother asks something and if by mistake you have done something, the protection is from father and father explains you why you should not do it. So it's a combination of father and mother who always makes you right. Second thing said that nobody can take the place of father and mother. Absolutely right. Nobody in the world can take the place of mother and father because you are actually a reflection of them and they have brought you to the world and they're your first word. So it's so nice. So my question to you is introspect yourself, think also that if they are doing so much for you, is it not your duty to ensure that they are not unhappy? Is it
Sir,
not?
I ensure that not there.
That's why I'm so proud of my seniors. You know, my seniors are the best in the world. So everyone, like Anvesa, everyone, every senior of mine is, I'm so proud because they understand the values, they understand the ethics, they understand, you know, what's the role of parents, they understand the role of teachers, and that's why I am actually every time I try to talk to you because you are the best. Like your parents are the best in the world. For me, each one of you is the best in the world. So as seniors, either you're the best or
Different from the rest.
us is
Ours.
very nice. Stay
Thank
blessed.
you, sir.
And don't forget about Italy. Okay, Siddhant.
Morning, sir.
Morning, Siddhant. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Siddhant, what did you learn?
So, sir, like everybody just said, sir, father will always be there, sir. So, yeah, even if you grow old, like above 20 years, above 50 years, father will be always be there with you, sir. He will always guide you, and he'll always support you if your decision is right. But if your decision is wrong, he'll be the first one to advise you against it. And then, sir, I am telling from my own personal experience, sir. I have seen my father, he's an architect, sir,
Right.
always discuss his buildings designs with with my grandfather, sir. So
Oh,
till now, he has not like they've never like I have not seen as my father independently drawing a design. I have seen him always talking about that design with my grandfather, sir.
oh, so
So
I'm so happy to Siddhant is yeah, go ahead, Siddhant.
So, sir, I believe, sir, that even if you grow old, sir, should never lose the respect for your father and his knowledge.
Yeah.
And not just the father, sir, your mother is also the important part of your life, sir. So, like, mother will give you the more authority throughout your life, but it is a father who will give the example for how to follow it.
Absolutely, absolutely, Siddhant. You have told the absolute. You see, it's a legacy. Learn from a father because your father also equally respects and adores your grandparents. And as you said, I'm so happy to learn that you have keenly watched your father every time discussing with his father, and that learning is going from generation to generation, and that's called legacy, and that's called culture, and that's called value system. So I'm so happy my seniors, you know that's why I said all my seniors, each one of you observe everything happening around you so minutely that you try to follow all the good things. Arusi, why you have unmuted, muted your camera, Arusi, unmuted. So before I go to the next, so many raise of hands. So we'll go to the next one. Then I'll ask questions on these raise of hands because we have to cover many interesting things. But before I go to the next one, so do a 1 minute exercise for me because I also need some exercise. You also need some exercise. So 1 minute exercise. Arusi, thank you for unmuting. Don't mute, Arusi. I want to see your beautiful white roses and the flowers and your beautiful sunrise smile, right? So all of you, don't mute your camera. So 1 minute, can you all just get up, run, give a hug to your mother, touch their feet, give a hug to your father, touch their feet, and come back in 1 minute. I'll count 1 2 3 4. All of you, I'm seeing all of you. Yes, yeah, all of you, all of you. Yeah, Pratesh, all of you. Sai, Aryasha, you're not going. Just go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Kavita, you're not gone. Kavita, go, go, go. Jagruti, thank you. Jagruti is the first. So nice. So nice. Yes. Yes. Ayan, I'm so happy. Arusi did it very smart. She did it in 30 seconds. Yes, Anyosha also did it in 30 seconds. Many of you did it in 30 seconds. Yeah, Mausimi also did it. So nice. So nice. So how did you all feel? Good? Good? If you all have felt good, just let's clap the clap of happiness. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So thank you so much. I'm so proud of you that you all not only give a hug to your father and mother, but also touch their feet and have taken their blessings. Now you're charged. Now we can play the game much faster and much better. So you'll see the next one, a very interesting topic, and you'll all tell me so many hands. I'll try to cover as many people as possible today. But before that, I'll show you something very, very interesting. And I want all of you to observe very, very, very minutely, intensely, something very interesting I'm going to show you. मजा आया? मजा आया? सिद्धांत, वेयर इज योर कैमरा? मजा आया तो? ओह ग्रेट, सबको मजा आया, मेरे को भी बहुत मजा आया यार. ओके, सो अरे बाप रे, बिफोर आई आस्क द क्वेश्चन, सो मेनी हैंड्स. ओह, या Tisha, you're able to yeah Tisha,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
where are you? Yes.
Yeah.
Oh my god, you have a screen behind you.
Yes, sir.
Screen has leaves, the screen has flowers. What a background you have chosen, Atisha.
Thank you, sir.
You selected the screen or somebody else?
No, sir. This is my curtains.
Yes. So who selected the curtain?
My mom.
Oh, the mom on my behalf. You know, such beautiful. You know, you tell me the address of the store. I'll also purchase some curtain like this for my house.
Chairman sir is asking the address of the store to buy this curtain. She's actually standing here.
Okay. Okay, so you can send me there too. Okay, what did you learn?
Okay.
What did you learn, Atisha?
Sir, well, this video relates to my life a lot.
Hmm?
So, like, I want to be a doctor. So,
Right,
but at the same time, I want to do some tinkering. I have interest in engineering.
right,
I like. So recently, I think you would have like heard the news of ATL Lab.
right. We have ATL lab. We have in our school, no?
Yes, sir. So about ATL Lab, we have all Sai International School got selected for the first time. I think you know that.
Yes, yes. I congratulate each one of you for that.
Yes, sir. So, sir, I have interest in everything. Like, I have interest in art, in dancing, in extracurricular activities, learning, especially so different things. That's a great thing. Like, so learning never stops,
Yes,
whatever your age is.
right.
So you learn from everyone, everything.
Yes,
So, uh, so learning doesn't have an end. So from whomever you see, learn something from them, get
right.
a motivation, get a inspiration, and then you will gain more and more knowledge. And I think that some or the other day that will help you.
Absolutely, absolutely. I'm so proud of you, Atisha. Did you touch your mother's feet when I
Yes,
said
sir. Yes, sir. I was there.
your
Yes,
and father?
yes, sir.
Great, great, Atisha. So, absolutely, I'm so happy with your answer that learning never stops. You said two very important things: learning never stops, and you should, at this, so in class 7 and 8. So, it's basically, you need to find interest in everything because by that time you probably think that I'll become doctor, then you think that I will become engineer, then you think that I'll become astronaut, then you think I will be an entrepreneur. So all these thoughts will come into you. So that has nothing to do with your knowledge. See the
Yes,
example,
sir.
right? So I wanted to be, an engineer. I went to the IIT. Then 2 days of admission from IIT, I came back, did my CA. Then I, become a chartered accountant. I did my software. Then now I'm in
Yes,
school.
sir.
So all that I read, all that I keep on reading, and you will be happy that I read at least every day one book.
Yes,
And
so like each and every one, sir. So
yes,
you can learn from each and every one. So
absolutely better. And each year I try to do something, some learning and some course. So learning never stops. And the most interesting thing, the more and more you read, the more and more you think how less you know. The less
yes,
and
sir.
you read, you think that you know everything. So the moment you start reading more and more and more, you will find more and more interest and see how shallow we are. So keep on learning. Absolutely, you have taken one of the best things out of this video, but I'll ask, there are many other angles to this video, and I will take out the best things because I want that the best things should come out of you, so that if I
Yes,
tell, then I will analyze in my thought process. I want all of you, each one of you, to analyze your thought process. Then I'll augment your thinking level, and that's called critical thinking. That's called the 21st century skill. That's called the design thinking. That's called the problem solving. So these concepts, if I tell you that I am going to tell you today what is critical thinking, I'll tell you how to, teach you problem solving. I'll take you to design thinking. These are big words, but what I am exactly doing in all my sessions, I am putting in each of you the 21st century skill through a very innovative and research process which I have found out, and taking out the best out of you in this process. And thank you so much for being there and
thank
understanding
you.
the process. God bless you, and thank your mother once again.
Thank you.
So, Vapti, unmute yourself, Vapti.
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes, Vapti, how are you?
Sir, I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I am better, fine. What beautiful spectacles you have.
Thank you.
कहाँ से लिया बेटा?
Yes, sir. I was actually, like Atisha said, this story, it actually relates to me as well.
Right.
My dad, he is actually from a very poor family. Like my grandfather used to have a food truck. So
Right.
according to me, my dad is very successful.
Right. Why according to you? According to everyone. According to me
Yes,
also,
sir.
your father is very successful. It's not only according to you, beta. Your father is the superhero. Yes. Tell. You are telling something, beta?
Yes, sir. My dad, he studied. He used to get very bullied in his school. He didn't really pass like 2 3 classes, but he never stopped trying, and now he owns a business.
Yes, so nice. So Vyapti says her father is a hero. See, relatively, it's not poor or rich. You know what makes you to learn? It's your urge to learn, right? Why I showed you this? You just think of yourself. You have everything in there. Your parents, your father, your mother have ensured you get everything. You get the books, you get the best place to and the best school to study. But are we doing justice to ourselves? Are we doing justice to the opportunity that your parents have given to us? You to decide. I'll not tell. So the poor boy did not even get a chance to study in a school, but he is reading out of the Raddi, out of these discarded books and acquiring knowledge. Think of each one of you. You're so privileged. Still, whether you are doing justice to yourself or not, the question has to be answered by you. So very nicely, Vyapti, you have stated, and I'm so happy that you touched that your father is a superhero. You struggled to see that not only he becomes successful, but he gives the best to you. And never ever, Vyapti, see that your parents are unhappy. Always ensure that. And smile for me. Yes, so nice. Swabhiman,
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. Swabhiman, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Swabhiman, how are you?
Sir, I am fine.
Oh, you are sitting in a very beautiful background.
Sir, thanks.
Okay. Do you study in this room only?
Yes, sir.
Very nice, beta. So, what did you learn out of this, beta?
Sir, I learned that learning should never stop in what age. We
Yes.
should continue to learn, sir. We should continue to
Continue
learn.
to learn. Yes, you should continue to learn. So nice, so nice.
Yes.
Meaning of Swabhiman.
Sir means self-respect,
You got that?
sir. Self-respect.
Respect. Absolutely. Swabhiman, your name means self-respect. Never ever in your life lose this. Never in your life lose self-respect. So self-respect is something which comes with others will not tell you. You have to tell yourself.
Yeah.
I will
Yes,
always
sir.
work hard, whatever people tell to me, but I have my self-respect and I will show to the world that I am the best. And once this urge comes within you, you will not only study hard, you'll also do things which will be very good and everybody will appreciate your work. So Simon, never forget your name, your parents, extend my gratitude and my regards to your parents. They've given you such a beautiful name, Swabhiman. Never ever forget meaning of this and be always worthy of this name. And to be worthy of this name, you have to work hard. It's not that just your parents have given you everything, a name, a
Okay, sir.
school. You should work hard, harder, more hard to show that yes, my name is Swaiman and I told show to the world how this name signifies me. Congratulations and keep it up. I am
Okay,
always
sir.
there. Just call me up for anything that you want. Yeah, very nice. So now I'll go to Vaibhavi. Vaibhavi, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Where are you, Vaibhavi? Baby, are you near some mountain or something?
No, sir.
I am seeing some mountain behind you.
No, sir. Sir, this is a wallpaper.
Oh my God, the wallpaper is like you're sitting somewhere near Khandagiri.
No, sir.
Very nice, very nice. So you do some sort of a rock climbing sometimes?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Always keep that rock climbing. Rock climbing is to counter fear. The rock climbing, the best thing that you learn out other than endurance, to be not to be afraid of anything. So keep this good habit. Yeah, baby, what did you learn out of this video?
So actually, sir, my life, my father's life, was a little bit continuing like this only. So my father, like my grandfather, is he was very poor, and so my father five sisters and one brother. So, sir, he was very poor. He was running in a very poor school. So now, sir, now he is very successful and he is now in a job. And in our home, he's the only one who is more successful than everybody in our home.
Oh, very, very good. Very good. That's so wonderful to listen. Yes.
So, and sir, I have made one for my father. I have made one. What is the dad? So, can I tell that?
Yes, beta. Sure.
What is a dad? A dad is someone who wants to catch you before you fall, but instant picks you up, brushes you off, and lets you try again. A dad is someone who wants to keep you from making mistakes, but instant lets you find your even open way. Even though his heart breaks in silence when you get hurt, a dad is someone who holds you when you cry, sits you when you break the rules, shines with bright when you succeed, and has faith in you even when you faith in you even when you fail.
You have written this?
Yes, sir.
So beautiful. Clap for baby, all of you. Excellent, excellent. All of you, many of you said that, and you said it, very, very nicely. See, I showed the first video to see, to show you that your father is the superhero, but it's you in your heart, you have already placed your father as the superhero. Because when you tell that my father was poor, my father struggled hard, my father is now very successful and is the only person successful in our house, in our family, that shows you have already made your father a role model. And that's what I wanted. I wanted that your role model should be your father, and you should never try to make your father and mother unhappy. So that's so good. I'm so proud of my seniors that they understand at this age that what are our parents and how we respect our parents and how we learn from our parents. Baby, please understand, your father did not have the things which you have now. Your father have ensured that you are in one of the best schools, you are getting the best things of the world. So prove the love and affection your father has given to you by becoming somebody which will make your father proud. And that's in your hand. The day your father will be known that I am the father of Baivavi. Now you are being known by name of your father. Baivavi is daughter of so and so, right? A day will come when your father will be known that I am the father, and Baivavi will take the lead role. So I am the father of Baivavi. And that day will be the greatest day and the biggest contribution and the biggest thing and the biggest reward, the biggest love, the biggest affection, the biggest respect that you can give to your father and to your parents. Never ever forget that. I'm so happy that all of you understand it so well. And that's why I say, East or West, my seniors are the best. Because, my baby, because either be the best or
Rest from everyone.
yes. So nice. Yeah, Sneha. Sneha, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sneha. How are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
You are sitting in an art gallery.
Sir, this is a drawing made by me.
Oh, you paint so well.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, Sunila, so beautiful. So beautiful. It's Lord Krishna or something?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yesterday was what?
Yes, sir. Janmashtami.
Yes. So you have already brought Lord Krishna into your house, right?
Thank you.
So nice of you. Yes, Sneha, what did you learn out of this video?
Sir, we learned that our father is a great, important role in our family.
The
Being he was a
second video. What did you learn in the second video?
yes. So in the second video, I related that means we can gather some more information.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, go ahead, Sumant.
We can gather more. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I was saying that a person who is coming as a maid in our house, we used to I used to gather a lot of information regarding him, whether he is a poor or a rich. He never stopped learning, and he started means what we felt means we feel blessed that us to whether he's a poor or a rich, that he's means he doesn't stop learning. He when he started learning all means I used to give him books. He used to read, and finally he's in top, and he did a job.
Oh, very nice. Very nice. Clap for Sumeda. Clap for her. She not only ensured that she learns, she also helps at this age, and that's empathy. I'm so happy you are giving new angle to the storyline, and I'm so very happy. Thank you. God bless you. Stay blessed. Now I'll ask.
And
Yeah.
sir, one
Yes.
more story.
Yes.
Sir, story due to Anatha Ashram, there are many kids who are not able to read the books. So I provide 100 books to them, and then finally got a job.
Oh, very nice. Keep this habit. Keep this habit of giving, because always we become happy by getting something. But there is also equal happiness in giving people something. And I'm so proud that you are giving. And I will always pray God to bless you. You are wonderful, my wonderful daughters. Thank you, my child. Thank you. God bless you. Stay blessed, and convey my regards to your parents. You know, such a beautiful girl. Yeah, Jagriti, you have been raising hand for a long time. Yes, Jagriti.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, actually, I was not able to unmute me at that time. Now I can.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Go ahead, beta.
Yes, sir. I had a poem for my dad.
Go ahead.
Sir, I am so. I'm sad that you are my dad. You are one in a million. When it comes to first class fathers, you are the absolute cream of the crop. You love me no matter what. Whether I am goody or baddie, I really love you, Papa. You are the fine and fabulous dad.
Oh, so sweet, so sweet. So, did you touch your parents' feet today?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Always, always. And I'm so happy that you not only have the feeling, also you come, when you can write, you can only write when the feelings actually comes out. So I'm so happy that your feelings are flourishing and it's coming out and you're writing. I'm so happy. I am sure a lot of children will get inspired and they will start writing for their father and for their mother and do a collection of such write-ups, poems. And I'll be so happy to listen to them and read them. Yeah. So next, thank you. Stay blessed, Ananya. Jagriti, yes, you have been raising hand. Jagriti, unmute yourself, Jagriti. Yes, beta. Smile for me.
Sir, how are you?
I am fine, beta. I was fine, but I'm now the best looking at your face because such a radiant smile. What did you have breakfast?
Sir, for you?
No,
I would,
what did you have for your breakfast?
sir, I had pitha, mutton curry, and chutney.
Pitha. Yes.
Yes,
What?
sir.
Pitha.
And also the idli with pura. Sir.
Ah, sir. Is that coconut pura?
Yes, sir. And also the guda pura.
Oh, so lovely. You know, my mother used to always make for me on me these pura pitha and all. But I lost her 4 years back, and I always look at the pura pitha. Right? I will come to your house sometime,
Yes,
Jagrati, and
sir.
have pura pitha, lots of pura pitha from your house. Right?
Yes, sir.
What did you learn, madam?
Sir, in the second video, I basically learned that first of all, that if we have interest in any this thing, then we can achieve it.
Hmm.
The second thing is if we mainly have a willpower.
Right?
So when the person who was giving the book to the boy said you have to return me in 2 days.
Right?
So that boy had the willpower. Yes, I can read it, understand it in 2 days, and complete the whole entire book.
Mm-hmm.
So I think if we never have willpower, then we cannot achieve anything. Even if we have interest in anything, but we need to also have willpower at the same time.
Absolutely. Absolutely right. Absolutely. So nice. You know, what is absolutely important is to have willpower. But how this willpower will come? What is willpower? Willpower is, like I said to Bhagavan, willpower is something written within us. Willpower is something drives us. Willpower is something which you have to work to get it. It is not. It's
Yes,
not.
sir. We need to find it out.
Right. It is not available in the market. You can go to the
We have to find it from inside us.
Yes. So willpower has to come from you. And that's why I said the willpower comes when you see your parents, when you see teachers, when you work for it, and when you understand what you're doing. And you're happy in what the moment you are not happy in something that you're doing, your willpower will fall down. Right? So in order to increase your willpower, do things which makes you happy and which makes others happy. There are two types of happiness. Suppose there is a chocolate your brother is eating. So you snatch the chocolate and eat it. So you'll become happy, but your brother will cry. So that's not true happiness. If your happiness is at the cost of someone else, then it's not happiness. Happiness is something when you are happy and the others are also happy. So together you are happy, and that's the real happiness. Unhappiness of one or someone makes you happy is actually not the law of nature. It is against law of nature. And tomorrow, when you are unhappy, somebody else will become happy and laugh. So never ever try to make anyone unhappy, and always stay blessed. You want to say something again? Yes, unmute yourself, Jagriti, and tell. Not able to? Okay, let me see. Yeah, you are unmuted. Tell me.
Sir, so as you said, it's mainly sacrifice. Sacrifice.
Sacrifice?
Yes, sir. Like if we sacrifice, we become happy.
Yes.
If we have the positive thoughts in us.
Yes, it's not.
Many of us can sacrifice, but
Yes.
with negative thoughts, then we become evil-minded. But if we keep positiveness inside us, then we can sacrifice with happiness, and that leads to success.
God, my students, my seniors are behaving like my teachers. They're telling, if you want to be happy, never allow negative thoughts to come within you. Always positive thoughts. I'm so happy that, I'm also learning from a lot of you. And as you are learning, great. Go, stay blessed, Jagrati. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of you. Yes, now next is Adyasa. Sai Residential School, Adyasa. Unmute yourself, Adyasa.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Adyasa. How are you?
Sir, I'm fine. How are you?
I am fine. You are where? You are in which city?
Sir, I am in city. I am in Odisha.
Which one?
Sir, Odisha, Keonjhar.
Keonjhar.
Yes, sir.
Oh, very nice. Keonjhar, is very scenic. There are a lot of forest. There's a lot of greenery, right?
So there are a lot of waterfalls.
Waterfalls. Which is the waterfall? Borepani?
Sir, Sangara, and then Handi Bhanga.
You have gone there?
Yes, sir.
So next time I'll go.
So many times picnic spots.
Picnic spots, no? So we'll go together for picnic, family picnic. You will take me next time?
Yes, sir. Sir, there's one person who miss you a lot. So he's alumni of SET.
Who?
Sir Adesh Kumar Raut.
Oh, where is Adesh? What is doing now?
So he's doing mass media communication.
So he's there with you now?
Yes, sir.
Call him. I have not seen him for ages.
Yes, sir. 2 minutes.
Yeah.
High Court also chairman.
This is how my seniors,
Sir, till he's coming, just say what I want to.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
So,
yeah, go ahead, beta.
So the first thing we need is the mindset. Sir, positive mindset.
Namaskar. Bhalo achandi?
Sir, namaskar.
Namaskar. Madam, bhalo achandi? Thank you. Thank you. ଭଲ ଅଛି ଭଲ ଅଛି ଭଲ ଲାଗିଲା ମାନେ ମୁଁ ଜାଣି ନଥିଲି ଆଦ୍ୟାସର ଭଉଣୀ
ଆଦ୍ୟାସା ପଢୁଥିଲା ନା ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡାର୍ଡ 4 ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ
ହଁ ରାଇଟ୍
ସାଇରେ ପଢୁଥିଲା
ଆଜ୍ଞା
ତାପରେ ଡେରାଡୁନ ରେ ଆସିଛି
ଓ
ଏଇ ଆଦ୍ୟାସା ଆସିଲାଣି କଥା
How are you, Adesh?
Sir, namaskar.
Namaskar, how are you?
Sir, I'm really good. How are you, sir?
Fine. I've seen you for long time. You have put on a lot of weight, Adesh.
Yes, sir.
You're eating so much. Don't eat so much. And do some exercise.
Yes, sir. No physical exercise. It's been 1 week since started.
Okay, do some exercise, beta. Right? I am so happy. So
Yes, sir.
I will talk to you.
Yes, sir.
Now let me talk to Adyasa. Thank you. Where is Adyasa? Yes, beta. Learn
I
from.
was saying that.
Yes. Yeah. Go ahead.
So the first thing, most important thing, that he had a proper mindset that he had to learn more. So he had a positive mindset that even if I can't go to school or the college, I can do this thing and I can learn more. So he had a very nice mindset that I have earned for my family. I have to look after my brother. I have to look after my mother. He had the sense of responsibility, and then he had proper mindset.
Very nice.
And so he our teacher, in our previous school, in the assembly, she told us a story. So she bought a paper with a big dot, black dot, and she's like, what do you notice? So people were like, we noticed, they're like, there's a black paper, there's a black spot. So nobody noticed the white paper. All they looked was the black dot. So this is the life of us, that we only look at the negative things and we don't look at positive.
Oh, very nice. Very nice, Adyasa. You know what Adyasa said? This is one of my interesting stories. So you take a big white paper and you put a small black spot there, and so it to 99% of the people will tell, they have seen the black spot. But the purpose was the black spot only takes 1% of the space of the paper. 99% is white. So we always look at 1% negative things of people, not at 99% good qualities of people. The moment you start looking at 99% good quality of people, you will prosper in your life. So there are always, life is always a mix of positive and negative. Concentrate on the positives, concentrate on the good things, concentrate on the values, concentrate on how you can be better, rather than brooding that, this is not happening, that is not there, this is not available. Then negative things will come together. You will be, if you are naughty children will come to you. If you are, a good child, good children will come to you. That's because of this reason. I am so happy, and I, you know, I will come for definitely now because there are two seniors, Ades and Adesa. So I'll come for picnic definitely, right? So be ready. I'll just come unnoticed and you know, without information, right?
Thanks,
Stay.
sir. Have a good day.
Good day, beta. Yeah, Asmit. Asmit, unmute yourself, Asmit.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, Asmit. How are you?
Sir, fine, sir. So, how are you?
I am fine. So, what's the photograph behind you? Father, mother, and you?
Yes, sir.
Oh, so beautiful. You look more like your father.
Thank you.
Very nice. Very nice. So, inculcate most of the quality of your father and mother, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Skill towards them and observe them every day and
Yes, sir.
try to be as good as your parents are.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Smith.
Sir, I learned from the second video that, sir, our status or our background does not define who we are, sir. Sir, if we want, sir, we can become a better person in life, even if we are from a poor background, sir. Sir, the only thing we want is interest and determination. Ma'am, sir, if we have these two, sir, so nobody can stop us in life and we can achieve anything we want. So because learning never ends, sir, and it will continue forever, and it is we who have to find knowledge in everything, and we have to learn.
Yes, I'm so happy, Asmit. You know, you said, you know, for learning, money doesn't matter. You know, irrespective of rich and poor, learning can be by everyone. You can learn from the poorest person in the world, right? Learning is not necessarily anywhere related to money, wealth, or power. Learning is from every single bird, every single creation of God. There is something to learn. It's how you look at them positively. You know, even ants you can learn. You know what ants do? Ants always follow a particular track, and once the mother ant goes, all rest of the people follow, and they are so disciplined. Even if you stop, they will not stop. They will follow the discipline and the rule of law. So every single creation of God, there is something to learn. And I'm so happy you really found, you know, told me today that for learning, it's not money. For learning, it's not rich and poor. Learning is on self-interest. And when you have everything in life, just go learn, learn, and learn. Now, I will ask Adik, then I'll go to the next video. Can we go for some more time? I was given 1 hour time. Now it's almost 1 hour 10 minutes. So can we go for another 10-15 minutes? If okay, show me. Otherwise, we will. Oh my God, everybody wants. Okay. So we'll go for next 10-15 minutes, not more. Okay, Adik, unmute yourself, Adik.
Yes, sir.
Your camera. Unmute your camera, Adik. Yes, Adik. How are you?
Good morning, sir. Sir, I am fine, sir. How are you?
You are calling from which city? कहाँ से बोल रहे हो?
Sorry, sir.
कहाँ से बोल रहे हो? कहाँ पे हो अभी?
Sir, from Dhenkanal.
Oh, I'm so happy. Dhenkanal. Rare. Dhenkanal, you know, there are so many plants, no, in Dhenkanal. JSPL is there.
Yes.
Then mining is there. Nalco is there. Right? Nalco is there.
Dhenkanal is no, they're a little far from Dhenkanal.
Yes. Dhenkanal.
So, sir.
DPS is there, no, in Dhenkanal.
What, sir?
DPS.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
What did you learn, Adik?
Sir, I want to give an example. Sir, like somebody told that the status does not matter of someone. The status doesn't matter, but the mindset matters.
Yes.
So I want to give an example of our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi.
Right.
So I found that means my father said that my father sometimes when I am mischievous, my father beats me and then go in an angry mood and then again comes to me and says something to me. So I want to share a little one experience of that. So he told that he told many personalities, but I am telling about our Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So he told that he was selling tea. That Narendra Modi was selling tea when he was helping his parents for to sell tea when he was old, and
Was
now
when he was young. Okay.
young, yes, and now and now and now he is the Prime Minister of our country.
Right.
So this I want to concentrate in the line that our PM Narendra Modi, when he was young, was selling tea, was helping his parents for selling tea. So the selling tea word, it goes to the status of the thing, like they are selling tea, they are poor. I am not saying about that. The helping, I am talking about the helping one.
Right.
So when we talk about that helping one, then it says about some morals that uh, leaving his status, leaving all his poor and rich, this all, he was helping his parents in doing everything. He was means
I get your point. I get your point. So what Adik is trying to tell, it's not only understanding something at a very young age, helping parents in the livelihood, earning, and then keeping your dream and vision intact is something that you should learn. You should not only help your parents, but also at the same time keep your vision and keep your dream alive. For dreaming, money is not a matter. For dreaming, status is not a matter. For dreaming, where you are is not a matter. For dreaming, you have to start dreaming in open eyes. Dr. Kalam, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, Bharat Ratna said, dream,
sir.
dream. Yes.
Sir, I want to say that means when we sleep, we see the dreams. That is not the real dreams. But when we see in the open eyes the dreams, that is the real dreams, and we have to fill up. Means we have to make our dreams true by practicing, by making our mindset that we can do it and never give up, and acquiring many other moral values.
Right. So that's why I say, dream, dream, and dream. And Dr. Abdul Kalam said, you need to dream and dream with open eyes and dream till your dreams become a reality. So that's what the power of dream. So I'll tell you someday on the power of dream. And today, since I was telling that we'll go. So my last video I'll show, and we'll take some of the questions. Very interesting, thing. Then probably close this. But a very, very interesting thing. All those who have raised hand could not answer. I'll ask them. But after this, after seeing this. Interesting, no? Yes? Interesting? Okay, so this is the last one. So quickly, I'll ask some questions, then we'll wind up for today. And I hope, this was a good learning for all of you. So I will ask Tanisi. Tanisi, unmute yourself.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Tanisi, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Fine. Why don't you smile?
Sir?
Why don't you smile, Tanisi, first?
Yes, sir.
Yes, beta. Always keep smiling. Like I told Arusi, she's kept on smiling for the last 1 hour. I'm so happy, Arusi. I'm observing you for the whole 1 hour. You're smiling. Thank you for keeping on smiling, and that's giving me so much of energy. So all of you who will always keep on smiling, I'll recognize their smile as Arusi is smiling. Keep on smiling. Great. Yes. Yeah, tell me. Oh, I think she lost connection. Okay. Now, Archita Padhi.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, Archita, how are you?
Fine, sir. Very fine. How are you?
I am fine, and your haircut, your hairstyle is as it used to be in the school. Same style,
Thank you, sir.
smile, same thing. You have not changed even 1%. Corona has not changed you even 1%. Archita, exactly as you are in the school.
Thank you, sir.
Very nice. Yeah, go ahead. What did you learn
So
out?
from the video, I learned that we should respect everyone and their work, and we should not underestimate anyone, because in the society we are living, we are interdependent on each other, and this is the reason for which the society is functioning properly. And it is not actually the money and the status and the standard that matters. It is actually the hard work that matters, because everyone is earning money. And everyone is working hard also. So this is what I learned from the video.
Absolutely. So I will not tell everything, in the first, analysis, because I want things to come out. But one thing of Archita, I'll say, she said, respect every work. No work is menial. Like the sweeper who comes to clean your toilet is equally important as your driver who drives, as the person who gets you milk, as the person who gets you newspaper, as the person who teaches, and as I am also speaking to you. All are equal status. We are doing the role which the society, nature, and God has given us, right? So you
Yes,
cannot
sir.
say that I'm doing better work than the person who is cleaning your toilet. No way. Try to do whatever you're doing to the perfection and to the best, and that's what you should learn from this video. It's so powerful video. So why I show you all these videos? I want to show this video so that you understand, and you not only understand, you also implement. You also not only implement, you also realize. Not only realize, you make it your habit, and by this your character will be built. So it's not just we are discussing these things, small things. It is how I am able to make these embedded in you to build your character and you as a great human being. So thank you so much. Great answer. Yes,
Welcome,
Saswat.
sir.
Saswat Bishwar, unmute yourself, Saswat.
Yes, sir. So I basically learned out of this that there is no one you cannot judge someone's work without checking it by yourself, and you
Right.
cannot say that that work is easy without doing it by yourself. It could be because every work is as equal. For example, like if like for example holding a business is as hard as probably as hard as working as a maid, and no one is small or no one is big
So nice.
because everyone is dependent upon each other.
Absolutely. Saswat, where did you study? For which city in United States you studied your preschooling?
So I was studying in Rocky Hill, Connecticut.
Connecticut.
Yes, sir. It's about like 2 hours drive from New York.
Oh, I had been to Connecticut. And we have a school, Connecticut High School as our partner. So we, along with Saniers, we had been there. You know, near to Connecticut, I think, the Kentucky is there, no? Have you been to Kentucky?
No, sir, I have not been to Kentucky.
Oh, so nice.
Yes,
Kentucky.
sir, but it's like in the middle of the United States.
Yes. So have you seen Connecticut University, the rugby stadium?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I mean, I have been to the Connecticut University because one of my friend's brother was studying over there, and then we went over there to just to meet him. So that
I loved it, but I loved it the way the campus and especially the new stadium is huge and it's so beautiful,
yes, sir.
right? So
Yes,
nice.
sir.
And
So also, I wanted to say something about the previous video.
yes, beta, go ahead.
So basically, sir, in the previous video about that person, it's like a really motivational video, and it says that it says it gives you a thing that like that knowledge is important, and also knowledge never ends, and you should always have a thirst of learning a little bit more, like or like doing something. And since even though he was like going through tough times when his dad passed away at age of 14, and his wife his mom was a housewife, he still had a smile in his face
Yeah.
of doing the work. And you should always smile.
Great, great. Clap for Saswat. So beautifully is analyzed. I'm so happy, Saswat. The value system you have not forgotten. God bless you, Saswat, and convey my regards to your parents. I'm so happy. Ayushman Thakur. Ayushman Thakur, unmute your mic. Yes, Ayushman.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes,
How are
sir.
you?
From that video, sir, I learned that.
How are you today?
Sir, I'm fine, sir. How are you, sir?
Fine, beta. Kya khaya?
Sir, I had one omelette, sir.
Oh my God. 1 egg or 2 eggs?
Sir, 2 eggs.
तुम बनाया ना मम्मी बनाई?
Mummy.
कभी कभी बनाना सीखो.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. I'm learning, sir.
Next time when I come, you have to make for me, not mummy.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Right. And convey my regards to mummy. The sandwiches which mummy gave me last time, I never forget those. Beautiful ones.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. I'll say, sir.
Yes. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Sir, I learned from that video, sir, that whatever may be the circumstances, like if there is a lock, there is a key, sir. So if there's a lock, there's a key. You should never lose hope. That boy also, sir, his father passed away when he was 14, but he never lost hope and he kept studying. And we saw, sir, that he was very educated, sir. he was speaking in English, sir, with everybody, sir, and he was learning, sir.
Absolutely.
Sir, yes.
Absolutely, Ayushman. I'm so proud. Very, very strong statement, Ayushman gave because of the egg he took today. See, that egg gave him energy to talk, so nicely. He said, if there is a lock, there is a key. In life, there will be many locks. What is the significance of lock? He says that lock means hindrances. Suppose you are trying something, it doesn't happen. That is a lock. You are working hard, but you are not getting something. That's a lock. You are trying hard, but not getting good marks. That's a lock. You are trying to run at a faster speed, but you are unable to, run because of your muscles, because of lack of training. That's the lock. So he says, nature has created every lock and also given a key. So it is you to find out where is the key, how to use the key and open the lock. And the moment you learn how to open the lock, nothing can stop you from doing something. Great answer, beautifully analyzed. And what a simile, your convey my regards to your parents, and I'm so happy that you are getting ingrained with this value system of your parents. So and I'm so happy today, the answers that all of you give. I could have already 1.5 hours gone, so we can go on and on and on, but I don't want, because I was given 1 hour. we are already, exceeding the time. So for today, we'll try to stop. But before I stop, you know what I do? And this is the song of hope. This is the song of dream. This is the song of continuity. This is the song of pioneer. This is the song which can always be in you, within you, and always keep you happy, smiling, and remember, dream, dream, and dream till your dream becomes a reality. So with that, we will probably stop. So
Thank you, sir.
I will request all of you to remember what is to be done with the song, and I hope all of you will do it. I will also do it along with you.
गुजरे ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं लेकर सूरज से आग आग गाए जा अपना राग राग आशाएं कुछ ऐसा करके दिखा खुद खुश हो जाए खुदा आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं ले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी
Thank you. And I actually am so thankful to you that all of you, 500 in number, were there today. And I'm so happy that all of you are there. And we probably will talk again probably next month. I don't know, because every week I'm talking to 2 classes, and that's why, the cycle is taking a little more time. But if you have liked, and if you think that, we are having some fun time, we are playing some games, and we are learning from each other, do write to me, make small videos of what is your feeling, send it to me through your LMs, or you can write to me also. Yeah, after my last talk, yeah, ROC, you have painted that.
Yes, sir.
So you gift that to me and keep it when the school opens. Please give it to me. That will be your love for me, right? And as I said, beta, all of you, if you have liked, then you make small 1-2 minutes videos and send to me through your LMs, or you can send text messages. After the last talk, I got 3 beautiful PPTs made by 3 children. One Fiona has sent me, then Ahana has sent me. That made me tears in my eyes. So beautiful way from their first year of the school and how they have learned from me till now. They're in class 9, so they have stated their journey in about 10 slides. So that made me feel so good that yes, my seniors are doing so great. Yes, Vaibhavi has also drawn something on the freedom movement, on the that's probably the 15th August. That's a beautiful thing. Yes, Vaibhavi, send that to me also. I will keep it in my lab. Yes, love for India. Yeah, Vaibhavi, very nice, very nice. Keep it up. I love, in the Corona times, continue your hobbies, do your paintings, do your drawing, listen to good music, read as many books possible, and let's meet next time whenever the opportunity comes. Goodbye. Thank you. And have a wonderful, wonderful day ahead, and stay blessed. God bless you. Wave for me, all of you. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, so nice. God bless you. I'm so happy. God bless you.